Looks like we've got a good 15 inches of snow coming in. Charlie, quick question. How tall is Callie?
You mean our new sister?
More like our temporary sister.
I'm pretty sure she's around 8 inches. Why?
Perfect. 7 inches short.
Can you please tell me what's going on?
Sorry, Charlie. I've got some business to take care of.
Hey, wait, I can't see. I'm stuck. Get me out of here. Just don't hurt Callie. I'm really starting to like her.
No promises.
Hi, Gracie. What's up?
You see that white stuff outside?
You mean snow?
Yeah, whatever. You want to go play in it?
Sure. Wait, I don't even have any clothes on. It's cold. Oh, this is just like the crack house.
2 hours later.
Are you sure I don't need to go looking for Callie?
No. She said she wanted to go outside and play in the snow.
But it's been 2 hours.
Callie, what are you doing here?
You left the back window unlocked.
What is going on?
Nothing. Forget it. Okay, so that's how Gracie wants to play it, huh? Well, then it looks like I've got to give her a taste of her own medicine.
Hey, let me back in. It's cold outside.
Sorry, Gracie. By the way, I left the back window unlocked.
Oh, I guess this is what the crack house is like.